video. Today I have a Zara haul for you guys, and if you have been here before on my channel, you know I love to look for less. I love to look like I just stepped off a runway, but I don't like to spend those runway prices, and Zara does it for me every time. So I did some damage. Let's get into it. See, I'm already dressed to try some pieces on, so let's get into the first piece. So, like I said, I've been shopping piece by piece during quarantine, just picking up stuff randomly, and it all kind of added up. And one of the first pieces that I purchased were these Ottoman style leggings that have the side slit, and some of these pieces I'll be trying on in the cutaway. You'll get a chance to see. Like I said, it has a side slit, it's long, it's very elasticated. With these, I had to size up. They're very comfortable, but they're a little tight in the waist, and I originally ordered a medium, but then had to return for the size large, and the large fits perfectly. They are high-waisted and can be paired with anything just because they're simply black. You can wear with sneakers, heels, whatever have you. Very cute. I have not worn them yet. The price on these were $29.90, and I thought this was a good basic buy. Great quality for the pricing. Item 2 is going to be another pair of pants. They are these faux leather trousers, and I really like these. They are cuffed at the bottom. You don't have to, well actually you do have to wear them cuffed because they're stitched that way, which is really cute. The way that Zara styled the model is what kind of inspired me to get these, just simply because they were paired with, I actually have it here, they were paired with this balloon sleeved type situation top. It looks like a jacket, but it's really not a jacket. It's a balloon sleeve top. It has a snap closure. I felt like paired with this, and they had it with some black boots that I have that are similar to it, I thought would be a whole vibe come fall. I know I can't really wear this now because it's way too hot where I am for leather or for faux leather, tongue-tied, faux leather leggings, but the pants were $39.90. I got these in a size medium, which is my typical size in Zara, and the shirt was $39.90. I got this in a small. I linked all the items below. I forgot to mention it has this scrunchy gathered kind of detail in the back. If you can see, probably can't see, but you'll see in the cutaway. It has like a gathered detail in the back with these drawstring, with this drawstring detail that you can kind of cinch it in. I really racked up on pants from Zara this time around. They had some really cute colored pants this time, and I'm really trying to get into color. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, _, I'm in neutrals a lot, and I really wanted to get out of that whole neutral vibe and kind of get into some color for the spring and summer, just to add some variety. I don't know, I love the lilac kind of pastel-y, purpley color, so I picked these up. I got them in a size medium. I don't remember how much they were. They are an oversized fit. And along with those, I got these aquamarine colored pants that I really love. They're flared. They have the seam down the middle. They have pockets. I love a good pocket. From the back, these are faux pockets. They're high-waisted. They are comfortable. I think the material is polyester, but they're not too, you can wear these in the spring and summer. They're not too thick. They had a matching blazer that I did not get my hands on before it sold out. That would have been perfect with these. Another item. Oops. Got some of the stuff out and forgot that this was even on this hanger. This is a really cute, just kind of cropped cardigan that I've seen on Instagram on a couple of different people, and it's not really for summer. It's pretty thick. It was something I'd have to wear in the fall. The top that came with it was kind of a bralette type of top, and that's just not my vibe. I'd have to get something that's a little bit more cropped, where I can wear something high-waisted and hook it up like that. It has 3 buttons. I did have to size up in this. I think originally I went for the size, what did I go for? I went for the size small, just because I didn't want it to be too large. This is just kind of like a little chill vibe. You can put it on with some jeans, crop top, or you know, you can even wear this with slacks. You can kind of dress it up. I also got this bandeau top, which I got to wear under blazers. It was $12.90. I love the fabric and the material. It's a contouring fabric. I got it in a size medium, and like I said, I got it to wear under blazers that I plan on buttoning up. I am not that comfortable showing my stomach like that unless the pants are like right here. So this I will not be trying on. Like I said, you can head over to my Instagram and you'll see me style it there. Then we have this denim crop top that is really cute. Now, the only problem I'm having with this top is that I think I bought it too big. This is one of those things that sold out really fast, and when I purchased it, I kind of went with the size that was left, which is a large. It has this gathered kind of waist, which is really cute. I've seen it styled on a lady I follow on Instagram. I think it's I Am Michelet. I'll link her Instagram below. She's another one you gotta go follow. She is amazing. She styled this with some white slacks and some heels. It was so funny because when I saw her in it, I was like, oh my God, I just bought that top. And she really had me wanting to style this up. But when I got it and I tried it on, I just was like, how did she make that top look like that? Because mine does not look like that. but $39.90. If you're enjoying today's content, consider hitting the subscribe button down below so that you can come back for more hauls, more fashion content, so we can continue to connect, guys. And let's get into this next item. This skirt right here, I had to get this. I'm trying to tell y'all. I saw this. I actually have a the velvet version of this that I bought during the fall, and I love the way it fits. It can be paired with just about anything. Sneakers, heels, sandals, it doesn't matter. It's kind of gathered in the back. It has a zipper closure. It's just really cute, and the polka dots had me. It was a bit on the pricey side if you ask me for Zara. I mean, $69.90 was a little steep. I would suggest sizing up in this. This top right here, this white top is so cute. It's a crop top that has like this gathering detail at the shoulder. It has these kind of scuba ties at the back where you can kind of cinch it in and gather it more. It's pleated at the back. It has the 2 front pockets, and I really like this, guys. This next piece, I would kind of call it like a kind of sweetheart girl type of top. It is like I don't know, it reminds me of something like when we were kids a little bit, but of course it has like an adult effect. It doesn't look like a little kid shirt. Paired with these blue or purple pants would be very cute, with maybe a white sneaker or a white mule or something. Those colors really go well together. This next top is just a basic striped top. What drew me was the colors. These colors together, like I said, I love a good yellow. This orange and the blue, like just paired with some really cute jeans and some sneakers, what have you, whatever you have in your closet, this can go with. And it's something, it can be worn now. I could wear it in the fall. $29.90, size medium. Fits perfectly. It's a bit cropped, but not too cropped. I actually had this in my wish list for a while, thinking that, I mean, it'll be there for a while. It's not going to sell out. That's not like one of their popular items. And I saw it on another YouTuber, and I'll link her channel below. She is so fly, y'all gotta check her out. I cannot think of her name off the top of my head, but I'm gonna flash it somewhere on this screen. When I saw her doing I think a shoe haul or something, and I saw her in it, I was like, okay, yep, going to my cart, putting that in my cart. This is coming home, because and she didn't even have anything on that was really extra. It was just jeans and this top, but it looked so fly and relaxed and just cute. So here we go with it. The last two clothing items that I actually have here with me, because I do have an order that's on its way to me today and next week. It's about 4 items that I do not have on hand. But here with me, I have these. It's like a mint green. It's shorts. I love these, y'all. Like, these have like a seam down the middle, the gold buttons. I freaking love these. And then your girl got the matching blazer. This right here, when I put this on, I wish I could have been filming when I unboxed it. I felt like I was just about to walk in somebody's ballroom, kill the presentation, close the deal, come home with all the coin. This blazer right here had me feeling like, yes, I can conquer the world. It fits so well, y'all. Like, look at this. It has the shoulder padding, 4 buttons, gold buttons. It has the cinched waist. It's the perfect length. It's just really, really cute. Like, I was feeling myself when I tried this on, y'all. But this, yes, with those shorts or some slacks or even some jeans, you can really, really do some things with this blazer. The very last item from today's haul is a pair of shoes. And these were actually in another video that I did that I'll link here. It is a square-toed heel, very comfortable. They have like this comfort fit technology that makes them really, really easy to walk in and very soft. That wraps up today's haul, you guys. If you wish to connect with me further, head over to my Instagram at @tstyler_, where you can see me style all of these items and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching.